Since RSI 14 is 54 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. Updated on December 24, 2020 buy or hold candidate since 2011 to 16 gain 139.02%. The Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated stock price fell by -3.22% on the last day. Thursday, 24 December 2020, from $6.52 to $6.31 and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 6.70% from a day low at $6.12 to a day high of $6.53. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -64.27% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -2 million shares and in total, 1 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.14 million.